Hello everyone, today I am going to be sharing the unboxing of Knowledge Crate's new mini crate, which is the Artist Crate Exploring Paint. I don't know if you can see that, but you guys, these boxes, I have shared a few of them so far, and they are all just so fun and amazing. They make great gifts, so if you are still happening to look for a gift for a child, these Knowledge Crate boxes are just so much fun. And the mini crates, they keep my kids busy for hours. They are wonderful to work into our morning time baskets to give them like fun little handiwork and crafts and things like that to do. And so I'm really excited for this box because my daughter loves painting. She loves anything to do with creativity and art. So I'm going to turn around the camera and we're going to unbox this together and see what's inside. All right, you guys, let's open it up and see. So they have this cute little thank you card, and there's a little mini easel with a little canvas. I'm trying to open it nicely just so I can put it back the way it was for when she opens it. All right, here is our activity guide. Let's open it up and see what we get. So it looks like here is the crate contents. So it lists everything that comes inside the box. There's some Crayola products, some black glue, washi tape, water cup, snack cup, cardstock, some canvases, paper, and activity guide. We're going to be doing an abstract art black glue project. Hope you guys can see that better now. So it'll look like that. That's nice. You get to learn about different types of art. And then there will be another abstract art paint sticks project. There will be a sunset picture. That'll be nice. There will be a mixed media forest picture. A watercolor butterfly. My daughter will enjoy that. Be a paint pour kit. Oh, that'll be fun. My son got to do something like this from a different subscription box, and he had a lot of fun with that. She'll enjoy that. And then there's a little saying from Vincent van Gogh on the back that says, "I dream of painting and then I paint my dream." And so she'll get some of these fun paint sticks. This will be for the paint pour kit. There's some additional accessories like paint brushes, a pencil, the glue, some white paint, and then the washi tape. There is some washable watercolor paints. A poster for the forest project. There's a little drip tray with different various colors of paints. And there's the snack jars and the cup. And then here are the canvases. There's 3 of them with some cardstock papers. Oh, that's actually quite a bit of cardstock too. So she'll get a lot of painting out of this. And there's some watercolor paper. This is actually a lot, you guys. She can we can basically share this between 2 kids if we want to make this like a Friday art project. That's actually really cool. I was expecting a decent amount from this crate, but not all of the paper and all of the different various paints. So this is actually really fun. I think she's going to have a lot of fun with this box, and it's going to teach her about like different types of art. And so it'll be pretty fun. It'll be very creative. She'll love this, you guys. She loves painting so much. Since we opened up everything, I'm just going to go ahead and turn the camera back around, put the box back together, and chat with you guys a little bit. Alright, you guys, so that is the end of the unboxing. I'm so excited to give this to my daughter. She's just gonna completely love it. If you guys are interested in checking out this box, I will link Knowledge Crate's website down below. If you use the link that I provide, you get $10 off your first box, and that is amazing in and of itself, you guys. Let me know down below, have you tried Knowledge Crates? Are you looking at trying them? I would love to hear it. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button. If you are interested in seeing any of my other Knowledge Crate unboxings, just to see what the other boxes have, I will try to link them up here and down below. And I'll see you guys again later. Bye.